So I got 24 karat gold to be used for my dinner today. So now we're in Tesco. I just need to get a stick. Where is? Kau kambing ada lagi? Kambing ada lagi Aku steak sini habis lah. Ya, aku dah nak tutup ni tapi dah habis lah. So steak ada lagi tak? I mean lamb ada lagi tak? Dua lah. Okay. So now it's 9:37. They're closing at 10. I checked with the store manager. All the meat are done, finished. Maybe it's Chinese New Year. But Harris got my bag. He had the lamb, at least. I love this. I love this. But I can't eat them. Too spicy. Actually, it's not that spicy. It's just that I'm a pussy.
Pay the parking fee by cash. Card to discount. Please insert the EM.
Okay. We're just gonna go to the restaurant and straight away have Alright, so we're already here at my friend's restaurant. This is at Glen Marie. This is where it is. This is where we're gonna eat the 24 karat shoulder lamb or lamb chop. Alright, so as you can see, there's still people. So while we wait for them to clear out, then we can begin our content of the day. Okay, now everyone is leaving. We can finally start. Let's go. Want to guess? Press guess. Looks like we're out of gas. Terkejut aku. Kau ni kenapa? So we're done with making the golden. We're done making the golden lagi. Gold coated, ha. Okay, so we're done making the gold coated lamb chop. Here it is. This is the final product. We actually do not have enough gold flakes to cover the other one as well as the first one to be fully covered, so bad execution. Oh yeah, if I forget to introduce, this is the owner and his the owner and the partner of this restaurant. This is Haris, this is Syed.
Hello. Hai. Aku tak tahu mana yang boleh makan, tak boleh makan.
Longgarkan tangan je. Use your hand. Go. Get the gold, get some gold, some more. That's a little of gold. Get more of the gold. Yep. Alright, go. So, what does it taste like? What does this taste like to you?
It's like, what is it, Bruno Mars song called then? 24 karat magic.
24 karat magic. Okay, now it's my turn. Okay, I'm gonna take most part. This is the most part coated with gold.
Tulang.
Okay, this is the bone. Okay, this is the bone.
Yeah. Bruh. You feel like a billionaire now?
It doesn't taste anything actually. It doesn't. It's like.
It's tasteless, man.
Hold on. This is gold. Right now, this is gold.
Yes. This is the gold. Okay.
Let's go back.